Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Again, in this year also, we have got this online class again. So, we will start with the accountancy. Today's class, I am going to teach you the second lesson. Okay, please kindly watch these videos and come for the Zoom class also. Okay, because we need to write the exam, revision exam. For that revision exam, it will be useful for you to watch these videos. Okay, if you watch it will be easy. Okay, so please watch the videos. Okay, every day. Here in among the three lesson I am going to teach you the second lesson. Okay, there only that lesson only you have asked many doubts. Okay, the later problems, but we will see from the beginning. Okay, that is second lesson, accounts of not for profit organization. Okay, not for profit organization, in the meaning itself, these organizations are run not for profit. So for which what is their motive? Their motive is to do service. Okay, so we can say all the organization that promote art, then culture, education, then sports. Okay, so they do some service, but not their main motive is not to earn profit. Okay, here they have to maintain three accounts. Okay, in trading organization we know trading account, profit and loss account, then balance sheet. But here it is called the receipts and payments account, then income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Okay, in the receipts and payments account, we need to enter all the receipts and all the payments of the organization for that month or year. Okay, so receipts and payments account, we have to enter all the receipts, whether it is of revenue nature or capital nature. All the receipts and all the payments must be entered. Okay, so you should understand what is capital and what is revenue. Okay, here capital means all the capital expenditure and capital receipts. Okay, so what is capital nature? For example, I will say, if we purchase a land, it is of capital nature because it will not occur very often. Okay, once in the lifetime or very rare, we purchase land and construct a building for the organization. Okay, they are called capital expenditure. And capital income, if we borrow a long-term loan. Okay, and any grant we receive from the government. Okay, not for the working capital, then just once in a way we got for construction purpose. If we receive a grant from the government, that is called capital income. Okay, capital receipt. Or any special fund they will create. For that fund, if they receive any donation for that special fund, that is called capital income or capital receipt. Okay, then what is revenue nature? Revenue nature that occurs very often, either it may be daily or monthly, weekly or yearly. Okay, they are the revenue expenditure or revenue income, or we can say revenue receipt and revenue revenue payments. Okay, here we will learn about the first account, the receipts and payments account. It is like account we have to use both the pages. Okay, both the pages we should use, and we have to write all the receipts on the debit side. We have to write all the receipts on the debit side and all the payments on the credit side. All the payments on the credit side, and it will start with the opening cash balance and ends with that closing cash balance. Okay, cash balance and bank balance also. We will see the first problem. Okay, see, first exercise they have given in the books of, we are to write the heading. Okay, in the books of Tamil Educational Society, receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. This I have told you many times. Okay, here the I will bring the illustration I have completed. Okay, I have shown you. I will tell you the exercise also. From the following particulars of Tamil Educational Society, prepare receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. You see, opening cash balance, you have to write, then rent paid, it is payment. Okay, credit side. Scholarship given also, that payment, credit side. Entrance fees received, receipt. Building purchased, it is that payment. Okay, staff salary, payment. Subscription received, receipt. So how it is done? We have to write first the heading. Okay, in the books of Tamil Educational Society, receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. You see, first rent paid. Here the receipt, first one, opening cash balance. Okay, that you should write on the receipt side to balance brought down, cash in hand. Okay, should not write opening cash balance. You should write to balance brought down. Since it is cash balance, we should write cash in hand. 18,000. Next one, rent paid. It is payment. So it will come on the credit side by rent. Rent paid. By rent we can write. No need to write paid. Scholarship given. It is payment. So by scholarships. 15,200. Entrance fees received. Receipt. So 2 entrance fees. Then building purchased, it is payment. So by building, 2,10,000. Staff salary, it is payment. So by staff salary, 55,000. Subscription received, it is a receipt to subscription, 2,65,000. Now you should add this amount, it will be more. So you should write this amount this side, and we have to add and find out the difference. Difference amount will be 15,300. Okay, now I will tell you the exercise. Okay, this one, the same way, first we should write in the books of Kurunji Sports Club for Sports Club. Next line, receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st December 2018. Then particulars, we have to not write particulars, then we should write receipts rupees, then credit side payments rupees. Okay, cash in hand. So we should write to balance brought down, cash in hand. Then salaries, by salaries. Life membership fee received, it is a receipt. So to life membership fees. Subscription received also, receipt to subscription. Rent received, to rent. Here paid for printing charges. So by printing charges. Locker rent received, to locker rent. Tournament received, to tournament. Tournament expenses, by tournament expenses. Investment purchased, by investments. Okay, then when we find out, we will get this 5,000 rupees. Okay, so we will, here you should consider one thing, any non-cash receipt, non-cash payment, that should not be entered. Okay, non-cash payment. In the second problem, all things we have to check whether we have received cash or whether we have made payment. Whether we have made payment means whether we have paid cash. That alone we should enter. Here you see wages yet to be paid. Yet to be paid means we have not yet paid. It is outstanding. We should not take. Okay. In the third problem, here depreciation on furniture. This one will not come. Okay. Or any depreciation, then outstanding. Okay. This and all should not be entered. Okay. They are non-cash items. So I think you might have understood the receipts and payments account. You have to do and see all the 5 problems. Okay. Thank you, students.